So guys, teka. Sup, good evening. Teka, ayos lang ako. Good evening. Nice to see kung ano ulam nyo kanina. Let's start in a few minutes, mga 2 minutes. Just fixing up here. Lah, sabi ni MH Trading, tumataba daw ako. Uy, actually, last ko mag-exercise ngayon eh. Hindi, di ako tumataba. Dapat hindi. Tatay ako mag-lose of weight. Baka sa angle lang. Or baka mahaba na kasi buhok ko. Yun. Guys, tulungan nyo ako. Share natin yung stream. Sorry, di ako nakapag-chart sesh the last weekend or yesterday kasi yun, sa labas kasi ako kahapon. May family ek-ek. So yun, pero syempre, hindi tayo magpapabigo. No, hindi namin bibigoin yung community. So, kahit Monday night, tuloy pa rin natin. Hey guys, question lang before we officially start. How's the audio? Is the background music too loud? Is everything clear naman for everyone? If it is, we can begin. Tsaka may mga important announcements pala ako mamaya. Okay. Goods. Alright. Alright, so guys, before I begin with the charting session, I just want to give a quick Trading Cup update. So as you guys know, the Trading Cup has been... Teka, paano ba to? So, wait. So stop share ko muna yan. Share screen ulit. A quick 5-minute update for everyone yon. Comment naman below kung kasama kayo sa Trading Cup 2020. So yun, ang lupit ng mga traders sa atin ngayon. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng market, no? And meron na shorting. So it's already been week 9 sa Trading Cup 2020 natin. Shout out sa lahat ng participants. Hopefully positive yung mga portfolio natin lahat given na ganda ng market, right? So just a quick update for everybody. Diba? Ano nga ba yung kaganapan sa Trading Cup? Maybe I can show a few of the trades of our top participants in the top 20, just a few, and then we'll go to the charting session. So this was the rankings as of last week Friday. So yung top 3 medyo nagsiswitch sila ng places. So number 1 at the moment si Earl Castillo with 137% gain. Si Time Walk, si Invest, ito si Boss low-key lang pero last year top 4 yan. If di nyo alam, part ng Open Journal family. So, first name na ito, nalimutan ko. Pero boss, if nandiyan kayo, shout out sa inyo. Right, so lupit, very low-key. And number 3 naman, si Lodius. So, di ko kilala kung sino yan. But, mga malupit din. Panda lang yung picture. And shout out to the rest of the top 10. Ito si Cap, diba? Number 7 na. And then we have the rest na Inception, etc. Alright, so kudos guys, hopefully consistent tayo sa Trading Cup. Teka. Baka masyado malas yung background music. Alright, so grabe, last index. I remember yung Trading Cup, nag-start yan dito. Diba? Nung sideways pa yung market and luckily, diba, sobrang lakas ng Philippine market. Probably one of the, if not the strongest market in Asia. So, up 25% in about 2 to 3 weeks. So, daming outliers, diba? So, syempre, ayoko ibigay lahat ng malakas na tinrade ng mga participants natin. Kasi, para sa defense na yan. So, for the Trading Cup defense, probably in February again, diba? So, I'm gonna show lang a few of the trades of the participants. Maybe 3 or 4 or 5 na nangyari last week. So one of them was MM. As you can see, MM, diba, nag-break out. And one of the participants, the top 20, was able to to trade, right? A quick bounce. So as you can see, namigay na retest, 2-day retest here. If we did it down to the 15-minute chart, yan, may quick 16% bounce play. So yan, nasa low, halos sa pinaka-low. And nabenta the opening the next day after the bounce. So very quick 16% gain. So yung maganda, yung dynamic ngayon sa trading cup, hindi, since maganda yung market, hindi lang siya puro, nung last year kasi, and maybe even 2018, bear market, diba? So bihira, makakita ng big picture plays. But the difference with the trading cup this year is, the market's good, similar to 2017, maraming big picture plays. So hindi lang may advantage yung mga bounce or yung mga intraday, kahit ano lang, low-key ka lang sa trades mo. Diba? Nasa top 10 ka. Meron nga mga nasa top 10, top 20 na ilan lang yung trades na nagbuhat sa kanila. Diba? Parang yung record sila, sobrang onti lang. Tapos yung hawak lang sa portfolio, talagang tina-trend follow lang. Up 70-80%. So yun, solid. Another trade of a few of the participants was M-wide. So yung participant natin na to, yung papakita ko screenshot at trade log missed. Diba the initial breakout at 8? Ito yung lagi natin hina-highlight sa charting session, right? Yung 8 pesos. But, diba, nag-20% move. Luckily, namigay ng konso. And if we do it down to the 15-minute chart, yan, may quick 10% play. So ito, mas intraday approach. Dati, mas madalas to mga ganito. Kasi kapag breakout na, usually fade. Kasi nga, market, mas madali mag-TP. Hindi masyado mataas yung hit rate kapag nag-trend follow ka. But at least, so yun, these are types of trade. This is one type of trade na tinira ng isang participant natin. So quick 10% gain. And okay na rin kasi malapit na yun si M-wide sa resistance. Here we have Ace N. Gabi to stock na to. No, mamaya, silipin natin. But wow. Just the start of the trading cup, kaka-breakout lang. And then, from this, it became this. No, gabi. 170% move from the all-time high breakout. Kaya nga tinatawag yung all-time high breakout as the line of least resistance. Meaning, wala na supply or meron naman but more demand and then blue skies na. Parang maganda na yung panahon. Good upside for the stock kasi wala nang previous resistances. One of our participants, ito mahirap maghanap ng ace and trade ng mga participants. Bakit? Kasi marami nagte-trend follow. So, ito naman, nabili sa continuation pattern. So, if you miss out on a stock, all you have to do is wait for a continuation pattern. One of the lessons I taught sa Investa University. So, spot nyo lang sa YouTube namin, Investa TV. So, ito, nakabili yung participant natin on the breakout. Very basic play, 416. And then yan, nabenta today. So, sell into strength yung approach. So, 55% gain. And then lastly, sobrang lakas ng market. Pati blue chip tinitira. Dati yung blue chip, wala na siya namamansin yan. Pero yun, natuwala ako na merong blue chip, diba? So yan, quick 13% trade. Breakout pa. Diba? So yan, tapos nabenta naman sa resistance. So, onti lang papakita ko kasi madaming trend followers sa mga top slots natin eh. Maraming holding on to their big winning positions, which is the right thing to do in a generous market like we are at now. So, ewan ko na lang kung ano trail stop nila. But, kaya, tignan nyo naman, kung tinif mo si Ace N, EMA 20 nakalabas sa chart, ang layo pa sa stop. Meron na mga nagti-TF na Merrimart, ang layo pa sa EMA 20. Meron mga nagti-TF ka na IDC, malayo pa sa EMA 20. So, yun. So, kudos na lang sa lahat ng participants natin. Hopefully, if kasama kayo, mga nanonood, you guys are part of the top 100. Malaking bagay na yan, especially considering gano'n ka bait yung market natin ngayon. So, okay. Enough of that. Let's go on to the charting session na. Alright. Okay. So, share na ba yung screen ko? Yup. Alright, so siguro before we move on to individual stock picks, tingnan mo natin index. Ano ba yung kaganapan ngayon? So as I've already mentioned, lakas, diba? And we've been able to break out of the gap resistance here. But now, if you look at it from a bigger picture, syempre, maraming overhead supply yan from the previous consolidations. Is there a level na dapat natin bantayan for potential profit-taking areas? So I would say this area, sa may 7.6, I believe that would be a very strong resistance. Kung consider mo yung dating consolidation, yun yung support level. Right? And if you look at the bigger picture, and we try to plot a trend line, But we're also yan, medyo tinatawag na ba confluence, parang they're aligning. So 7-6 seems like, of course I can be wrong and mag-breakout siya, di ba? Wala naman genius. But as you can see, there are multiple, right, resistances at this level. So maybe a good area to take some off, take some profits off. Or yeah, just not to sell, outright sell everything, but maybe to take a little bit off depending on your approach. Or kung trend follow ka, no need naman. Depends on you talaga. But yeah, these are some key levels we may want to look at. Tapos kung nauntog naman dyan, di naman ibig sabihin dedo na, no? Since medyo ang rapid no rise, di ba, baka mag-conso lang. Di ba? Baka bigyan tayo ng conso dito. Let's say, mauntog. Mamigay tayo ng conso, yan, ganyan. Tapos breakout ulit or something. Hindi natin alam. Pero yung levels na binabantayan natin. So, take a look at the US din. So, US market starts at 10:30. Daylight savings time. So, medyo hassle kasi puyat. Well, di man puyat, pero mas late nagsa-start. So, since medyo maaga ako natutulog, kasi medyo maaga ako gumigising recently, wala, medyo 2 hours lang ng US market na papanood ko. But regardless, let's look at the index. Teka, maglabas ako ng indicator. Neck ko, may allergies ako, puti. EMA 20. Waits lang. EMA 50. Good evening sa mga new viewers namin dyan. What's up, guys? So, for the US stock market, grabe, shout out sa mga kasama kong tinamaan nung election po. Grabe, dami akong position na nakat dyan. Sobrang hassle. Pero ganoon talaga, wala naman genius. Below EMA 50 ba? Yeah. Pero as you can see, US, medyo choppy sideways market ngayon. Choppy sideways trend in a bigger consolidation. Mas volatile na. So, if you're a US trader, my advice lang is to just look at the leaders. Look at the leaders making new highs. Well, that's my approach kasi. So, yun lang. That's just for me. That's how I look at it. I look at the leaders. Those near 52-week all-time highs. But of course, kung reversal yung play mo, nothing wrong with that either. Yeah, but index-wise, maganda na sana hindi na mag-dip ulit below EMA 50, no? The same would be true for the S&P 500. Well, ito, mas malakas yung S&P 500 over the Nasdaq. I think it's because may mga vaccine news na, and of course the tech stocks were benefiting from we're benefiting from the fact na may COVID and the fact na people use technology much more now than they ever did before. But now na may news about, vaccines, which is always good news, being 95% effective or 90%, di ko maalala yung news. These might take a hit, but yeah. Sa mga nagtatanong, ano broker ko sa US? eToro. Ito, isa sa mga malakas sa US, may nag-comment. Si Neo. Isang kaibigan, may ganito eh. Grabe. Hinawakan lang hanggang ngayon. Si Gagamba Trader, si Enzo. Dito, bilhin nyo. Yan, di na shake dyan. Hinawakan through that. Diba? 100, up 147, bumagsak, 90 na lang. Grabe. Lupit ng hawak niya. Shout out sa'yo, bro, kung nanonood ka. Kung gusto mo sumama sa charting session, chat ka lang. Alright, let's go to the Philippine market. Sige, ano mo tayo? Blue chip. SMC. Wow! Last din ito. So if you guys know, as I've na-share ko na ilang beses din, di na ako nagtitrade na Philippine market ngayon, which is nakakainis. But I've stopped trading the Philippine market since July ata. So purely US na yung focus ko. Tapos sa umaga, yan, usually nag-work na lang ako. But yeah, SMC breaking out. Congrats sa mga nakahuli, up 23% from that breakout point. But at this point, syempre, as you guys know, avoid na ako usually kapag extended na, no? So, if meron ka neto, solid, diba? Discard mo na lang kung trend follow mo or kapag sell into strength. Kasi tumama na sa initial TP dito. If I were to set a stop, a take profit, 140 area, tapos susunod dyan, 150. So kung wala pa ako niyan, hindi ako magmamadali. Mag-aantay muna ako ng some sort of pullback. Obviously, stocks, medyo hirap na mag-pullback ngayon. Pero ayaw kasi natin pumasok sa mga extended stocks. If kilala niyo si David Ryan, yung bata ni William O'Neill, if di niyo kilala si William O'Neill, market wizard, siya nagsulat ng How to Make Money in Stocks, one of the best traders of our lifetime. Diba? Bata niya si David Ryan, 3-time US investing champion. And yeah, bata ni William O'Neill, momentum master, market wizard din. Shinare niya na one of the key reasons bakit siya early on, malaki losses niya, is because he buys extended stocks. Meaning, sabi ko sa iba, you don't want to buy a stock that's up mga 5% above the breakout point. So let's say here, kapag yan, mga 5% na above the breakout point, medyo extended na siya. That's their opinion. Yung iba 10, depende. Kapag bull market, pwede mas lenient, pwedeng 7. Pag bear, medyo 3. So 5, give or take. Bakit? Kasi syempre, kung bumili ka dito, yan, quick lesson na rin. Kung bumili ka dito, eksakto, sa 110, diba? Bumili ka eksakto sa 110, where can you put your stop? Let's say you want to put a 5% stop. Diba? Di measure mo lang 5%. Hindi dito, lalim, diba? Below EMA 50. But if you buy it when it's too extended, let's say here, bumili ka 117, and you want to put a 5% stop, saan man pupunta yung stop mo? It will be placed dito sa breakout point. And the problem is, not all stocks go up immediately. Sometimes, yung iba, nag-retest pa. So if dito ka bumili, stop mo 5%, umabot yung price dyan, stop out ka, yung pala retest lang, tapos tumuloy. Diba? Hindi naiwan ka na. So the nice thing about buying stocks at the proper buy point or the danger zone, kung tawagin ni Mark Minervini, is it allows you to place a stop, a logical stop, diba? Where kapag tumama stop mo, halatang sira na yung setup. So yeah, SMC, these are the levels I'm looking at. Or that can be possible resistance points. Next, MPI. MPI, ito medyo mahina, I think, compared to others. Kasi at this point, the last, diba, nung time na to. Pero yeah, looks like medyo chill lang. Medyo hindi siya yung mabilis na galawan, no? But overall, the medium-term uptrend is still intact, right? Series of higher lows and higher highs. Pero yung mahalaga dito, mabasag to. Ano nga ba level yun? Itong 450. Medyo mabigat na resistance, pero kung malakas, dapat kaya basagin yan. And then, after 455 na yung next na significant. But, looking at this, syempre, kung longer-term investor ka na medyo chill yung approach, okay to, or medyo chill ka lang na trader, okay to mga chill lang na stocks, diba? Di masyado makulit, di masyado volatile, but price action-wise, 450. Kaya natin tignan kung kaya basagin. Sabi ni Ray, De Los Reyes, Tech. Ay, spot natin si Tech. You know, nag-breakout na. Teka, ano mangyari pag nag-drawing ako ng trend line? Mukhang sabog. So, si Tech, okay ayun nga, lasa mo ng market. So, we have a breakout of EMA 50 finally. Tuwing charting session, to yung na-highlight ko. Hirap mag-breakout, hirap mag-breakout, hirap mag-breakout. But finally, nagawa, no? Here, successful na. And held above yung support dito sa may 5. So, congrats kung nakapulot ka dyan. Up 30% from the buy point. So, at this point, medyo, again, hindi na ako magmamadali humabol kung wala pa ako neto. So, number 1, initial resistance, andun na. Yung dating support ng base. So, pwedeng mag-conso or pwedeng tumuloy. Pero mas maganda sana pag mag-conso, no? But regardless, if it can break, let's call this resistance 1. Resistance 2 would probably be at 8 pesos dito sa downtrend line na to. Right, so, probably a good area to take some off. But, kung wala pa ako nito, hindi ako magmamadali, humabol, mag-aantay muna ako ng consolidation. And same goes for a lot of the stocks ngayon. If you weren't able to initially take advantage of the opportunities, Wag ma-FOMO. Right? Pero tingnan natin. Kung malakas, mabasag, well, pangit na yun kasi yung risk reward eh. Kahit bilhin mo yung breakout dito, kung mauntog sa 8, upside mo 10%. So, maliit na lang. But yeah, these are some of the levels I'm looking at the tech. By the way guys, itong mga stocks, minsan baka magulat na lang ako. Di ko na rin alam yung mga itsura nila. Kasi nga, US na titignan ko. So, ito si Rodin, sabi niya SSI. Nag-breakout na ba ito ng 130? Lo, 164 na pala to. Okay ah. But yeah, SSI, finally. So, medyo frustrating to i-trade dati. But yeah, SSI, huge breakout here. As you can see, volume, lots of volume. So, that's always good. So, look at SSI. Also broke above this level, which is good. Next significant resistance, in my opinion, would probably be around 190. Somewhere below 2 pesos. Hindi ko sasagad sa 2. Pero ngayon pa lang, as we can see, medyo hirap na eh. Right? Pero baka nagko-conso pa naman. So mahalaga dito, hindi na sana mag below EMA 50. Kung bigger picture lang, below EMA 20, tingin ko okay lang. Basta hold above 145 o yung dating breakout point. Baka mag-retest lang. Diba, potential scenario is retest, tas conso, breakout. Pero let's see. Pero ngayon, mukhang nag-chill muna. Consolidate first. And then let's see kung malakas talaga. Di abangan natin sa 190 kung kakayanin. Nickel. Wow. So si Nickel, grabe no? Since the pandemic, serious uptrend. Alala ko, guys, meron ako neto dito dati. Mga June ata yun. Or May. Meron ako yan sa pinaka-low dito. Dito mismo. Diyan. 150. Nag-close siya ata 145. Diyan. Tapos ang laki ng position ko. Or okay naman, mga 20, 25%. Tapos saan ko binenta? Binenta ko dito. Sa dito. Diyan. Diyan ako nagbenta. So I missed out on a 200% gain. Pero okay lang, ganoon talaga. Syempre, nung at the time, wala naman siguro makakasabi na aabot to ng ganitong levels. But yeah, as traders, we operate in specific time, in specific life cycles of the stock. And at the time, I was going for a bounce. So that's what I traded. Diba? So okay lang. Ang dami namang continuation patterns binigay. We have one here. We have another one here. We have a big one here. And the fourth one here. So, looking at nickel, approaching key levels from last 2019. Ano na ako dito? Medyo mag-iingat na. Kasi bakit? Nakailang basis na 4. So, late stage base, obvious na yung uptrend. So, kung titirahin ko pa yung breakout, tapos bebenta ko sa 5, 12% upside, pwede na, decent. But, parang, 12% upside, kung 6% stop, 1:2 pa rin, 2:1. Na ba? 12%, 2:1, 1:2, but 2:1 ata yung tamang term. Pero other than that, do I think na kaya basagin yung 5? Siyempre, di ko alam. But kung ako if I were, to have a position, I would definitely take some profits off at 5. Bakit? Dating resistance, diba? Sobrang tibay. And then, if we look at it from a bigger picture perspective, and we zoom it out some more, diba? It's a very long resistance. Diba? All the way from 27, hindi man long, but 2017. So, yung maganda dito kung malakas, basta above EMA 50 lang. Yun yung trend niya talaga eh. Diba? You see here, hindi nag-below slight pero di halos, di nag-below dito. Dito tinest, dito wala. Holding pa, dito hold, wala, layo. So basta above EMA 50, tapos magbigay niya some sort of consolidation, sige pwede. But looking at the market the past month or 3 weeks, yung mga tumatama sa dating malakas na resistance na bebentahan eh. Like, I remember dito, di ba, yung umabot sa 8. So medyo similar. Diba, nauntog lang sa 8. So, but that's just one example. Hindi natin masabi. Pwede naman mali ako. Kapag tumaas yung inflation sa US, pag humina yung dollar, tama ba? Pag humina yung dollar, basta kapag tumaas yung nickel prices, syempre sasabog din to, pero di pa natin masabi. But yeah, that's for nickel. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about yung risk-reward ratio or how to trade properly na ginagamit mo yung risk-reward, we just actually had a recent free lesson on that sa Investa University na super bihira lumabas. But si Boss JM, ay mali, yung CMO natin, si Boss JM, one of the co-founders, siya yung nagturo. And I really suggest that you guys watch that video. Sobrang high value nun, especially kung bago ka pa lang. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, so how to measure potential profits, right? Pinag-uusapan niya yung risk-reward ratio. And guys, we're already at 62.9k subscribers. I'd really appreciate if you guys can, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. We release videos every day. So, including this part na to. But yeah, daily releases tayo dito. Hardcore tayo sa content so we can provide more value to you guys. And if umabot tayo ng 65,000 subscribers, we'll be unlocking a special video by Boss JC how to make, diba, your first million, not only in the stock market, pero in life in general. So, holistic approach, diba? 7 proven ways. Probably, di ko alam kung isa doon stock market na, but there will be other ways as well that he will discuss fully in detail for free pag umabot tayo ng 65,000 subscribers. Yun, shout out sa YouTube fam, 749 nanonood. So mga 1,000 sa Facebook. Alright. Ano ba ilipat yung share screen ko? Stop screen, share screen. Like na sa chart. Wait lang guys, may check lang. One moment. Sorry. May check lang ako. Medyo important. Alright, next chart. So, next si PHA. Ano yung piso na ba ito? Ano ba presyo nito? No? Ito nagsiling? Nagsiling ba ito? Pucha. Lakas ah. Wow. Ay, ito nagsiling siya dito. Wow. Congrats, PHA people. So, grabe. Alala ko, huling chart session. Dito pa lang ah. Tumibok na pala ng ganyan. So, wow. Ito yung mga mahirap hawakan eh. Kunyari yan. Grabe. Congrats sa mga nakakuha nito. Big win for this year to, for sure. So, kung wala pa akong PHA, or ano bang level, so, this is one, very key level, tapos piso. So, kung may PHA ako sa ilalim, I'll probably be looking to trim a little bit. As you can see, diba, dyan nag-gap up before, base, so, and ngayon, medyo nauuntog sa area na yun. Pero for some reason, malakas si PHA, probably, obviously, there's a catalyst. So, kung malakas to, if mag-sustain above 85 or 80 to 85, if kaya basagin yan after consolidating, then interesting to. Baka, siyempre, di natin alam, probabilities. Baka umabot ang piso. But kung wala pa ako nito, chill lang ako. Hindi ako magmamadali. Or, siyempre, pwede tayo tumingin sa mga intraday. If mas active trader ka, for example, ito, di ba? Namigay ng breakout. No? Last naman nun. But yeah, I would be looking at intraday charts if I want to get a position kaagad. But remember guys, kung intraday, mas volatile, lalo na ng penny stock. So, kailangan eksakto yung entry natin. So, yeah. Congrats sa mga tumira ng PHA. Next, sabi ni Gab, ay ni Jewel pala, Jewel. Wholesome. About Jewel ba yun? Jewel ata, sorry, Jewel. Wholesome, grabe. So, laggard. But, I mean, breakout talaga to kasabay ng market. Pero medyo laggard eh. Mas mataas pa tinira ng ibang blue chip kaysa dito. But yeah, finally broke out. Pero relative upside is sa may 6,760 dating base. So, medyo malapit na. After that, probably 850. Pero given na medyo laggard siya, medyo mahina na nga, malakas yung market, might not be too excited about it. But yes, broke out. And let's see if it can hold above 760. Sorry, check lang ako. Guys, question. Off ko na lang ba yung music? Sabog ba? Sige, off ko na lang. Medyo tahimik kasi pag walang music. Sa StreamYard kasi pag nag-play din ng music, medyo sabog eh. Hello. Ay, sorry. Off ko na lang ba? Teka, nagka-problema sa mic ko. Ayusin ko lang. USB condenser. Mic test. Okay. Guys, sorry. Okay ba? Sige. Ayusin ko lang. Camera's good. Audio. Mic test. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Next. Guys, baka may pwede sumagot nito. Baka may assignment si boss. So, yon. Tulungan na lang natin. Okay, game. Sabi ni Meg, sige, M wide. Tas ace N next. Alright, M wide. So, M wide. So, yan na. For the longest time, hina-highlight natin yung 8. And, yun, lakas. Very basic play. Diba? Siyempre, basic siya kasi maganda yung market. Pero pag mahirap yung market, di siya basic. Tulad nito, dito, nung mahirap pa yung market, very frustrating yung mga ganito. Yung kala mo, be-breakout na dito. Diba? Kung tignan mo, ganito. Breakout, tapos wala. Sinubsub. Breakout ulit. Malapit na, sinubsub na naman sa 8. And then, ito, munti ka na, sinubsub na naman. So, ito yung mga frustrating moments. Ito, sinubsub din. Then eventually tumuloy. So, it looks easy eh. Diba? Trading. It looks easy. And fairly, in a bull market, it does. Diba? Na parang, ay putya, bumili lang ako sa breakout. Tapos up na ako, Up na ako 30%. So, yes, it looks easy. But, if you look back to the chart, 1, 2, 3, 4 times siya nauntog bago tumuloy. And if you're an active trader, 4 times ka napakat bago mo natira yung 5th na tumuloy. And the question is, would you have been able to trade the sure breakout, the one that finally broke out after experiencing 4 cuts in the same stock, in the same setup? So, yung nagdi-differentiate sa'yo dyan, if you're able to execute that, is your trading psychology. Diba? So, as you can see, diba, apat. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yung fifth, medyo hindi nga tumuloy, pero nag-follow through naman. Diba? So, up 33% in one, after the breakout, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So, 1 week, 30%, super solid. But had to go through a series of false breakouts. And yung mga traders na talaga na mataas yung levels of trading psychology, kaya tirahin yung ganito. Kasi, syempre, kung papasok lang sa market, titira ka na breakouts, tutuloy. Kala mo, dali, di ba? Kaya may quote na hindi nabasa ko sa isang book. I think it was Trading the Turtle Way by Curtis Smith. Ano ba pangalan nun? Angel Curtis Smith. Nakalimutan ko, basta may Curtis. Isa sa mga turtle traders ni Richard Dennis, sabi, trading is simple, but it's not easy. Diba? So, it's as simple as buying a breakout, buying once it goes above a line and making money, but it's not easy to do. Diba? Kasi there are so many other factors that come to it, like trading psychology, emotional capacity, discipline, risk management, diba? Execution, trade management, portfolio management, position sizing. So, it's simple, but it's not easy. Right? And if I may plug something before kasi medyo sakto na yung Steam eh. Diba? For February, we're going to be having for November, another exclusive learning session. Diba? Coaching, whatever. Pwede ako coach, no? Yun lang yung tawag, ELCS. And medyo limited siya para sa Investa Prime Elite people. So, na bagong subscriber, if you're a new, kailangan new subscriber for the month of November. And if I'm not mistaken, meron kang free, diba, automatic access dito, tapos live siya. And we'll do it the first week of December. And yung topic ko is trading psychology. Trading psychology, key to long-term success in the market. So, di naman ako, tas may kasabay ako si Ma'am Christina Gabaldon. So, siya yung sa Elite Webinar, ako yung sa exclusive learning session, whatever. Right? So, back-to-back para sa Investa Elite annual subscribers namin dyan. So, provide value lang maximum. Right? So, hindi naman ako coach or whatever. Diba na pro sa trading psychology or something. Teka, paano ba tanggalin to? Tanggalin ko na. Whoops. Okay, balik tayo sa chart. But trading psychology has always been a very interesting topic for me. Nabasa ko yung Trading in the Zone 5 or 6 times na. And malaking bagay talaga eh. It helped me recover from a negative 30% downswing in my portfolio this year. Sa global markets, diba? After I read Trading in the Zone again. And hopefully, through yung learning session na yun, I can hopefully share something with everyone. Kasi it also helped me greatly pagdating sa execution ko eh. Diba? Kasi yung common notion ngayon, common notion to anyone, diba? Pag hirap sa trading psychology is, napakat ako dito. Ano yan, pangit yung stock na yan. Tapos pag sinabi ng pangit, dun siya tutuloy. Tapos mas lalo ka na frustrate. Kasi, nung time sa try mo siya tirahin sa breakout, sumusubsob. Pero, nung breakout, yun yung pinili mo, sige, di na ako bibili. Tapos tutuloy. I'm not 100% a pro in trading psychology, but hopefully, I will be sharing a lot from experience, actually. More than textbook theory. And it's also based on things I learned through watching videos, diba? Reading the books, being in the market for almost the past 3 years, and hopefully makaprovide lang ng value. Diba? But yeah, as for M-wide, already looks like at key resistances, near 11. So, yun lang. Mag-consume muna or something. Anyway, next chart. Okay, MAC and Pure Gold. By the way, 54 slots left dun sa ELCS. And then we'll do the live session at probably first week of December. So, papalupitin ko yan. Alright. So, si Mac, wow, last pala nito, sir. Si Mac, breakout here. Tapos, gumap up ka agad. Nice. 40%. Wow, ala sa Philippine market. Grabe. Minsan, di ko na tinitingnan kasi nasasaktan ako. Kasi wala na akong Philippine market. Pero yeah. So, if I were to trade this, I would have probably already taken a small portion of my profits here. Pero grabe, lakas ah. Yari, 6. Tapos yan, 30% take profit. But yeah. Pero as you can see, tumutuloy pa rin. So, a lot of these stocks na tumutuloy, it's really your choice kung ano gagawin mo. If you want to sell into strength, maybe the trade is 3, 4, 5 or you want to sell at resistance. Diba? Bago gusto mong benta dito sa may 9, yung susunod na area na matibay. Or gusto ba i-trend follow, gumamit ng trail stops using moving averages, RSI pop, ATR. Nasa sa'yo na yun. But what's important is what works best for you, diba? But yeah, these are a few of the levels I'm looking at. Sobrang layo pa sa EMA 20. But yeah, very strong stock. Possible new uptrend. Yeah. Or medium term, sa uptrend na eh. So, solid. Pure gold din pala. Pure gold. Pure gold naman, ito wala, mahina eh. So, nagka-sector shift na kasi. So, wala, medyo mahina si pure gold para sa akin. Malakas index pero parang ni-retest lang yung breakout yung breakdown point. Eh. 'Di ba pag breakout, pwedeng bumreakout, retest, tapos tutuloy. Ganon din sa breakdown. 'Di ba? Pwedeng breakdown, retest, tutuloy pa baba. And this looks like, in my opinion, well, my opinion na naman, so pwedeng mali ako. 'Di ba? Breakdown, retest, tuloy. Pero pwedeng mali, pwedeng bear trap lang. Dami kong drawing. Pwedeng bear trap lang tapos mag-breakout above EMA 50, 'di ba? Pwedeng ganun. Pero 'yun. We're just looking at the different possibilities. Kasi wala naman sure ball. But just a few factors to look at. Considering wala na nagpa-panic buying, no? Medyo normal grocery na tayo. So, yun. Next, si Kenneth. CHP Vita. Sorry pag nakalimutan ko si Vita. But yeah, CHP first. So, medyo mabagal, no? Medyo mabagal ng mga cement. Si Eagle ba? Eagle din. So, for CHP naman, level I highlighted before was this one. So, ayan na. Successful close above the breakout point. Medyo mabagal lang. Mukhang ano siya, pwede siyang buy on dips eh. Diba? Nag-overshoot below EMA 20, but that's okay kasi di naman yan linya lang na dapat sundan by heart. Pwede naman mag-overshoot na onte. So for me, basta above EMA 20, short-term trend intact, potential buy on pullback area yung 20. Mas major yung 50. Ito, pag nag-below 50, sira na yung trend. But yeah, recently just broke out, diba? Good volume naman. Good close, good volume. Yung mahalaga ngayon, mag-sustain tapos continuous volume coming days. Mahalaga lang ngayon, mag-continue lang yung uptrend. Medyo bumagal na siya ngayon, but, oh wait. Medyo bumagal na. Might be forming a rising wedge. Diba, if you look at it. But, a rising wedge lang naman is only confirmed. This is a bearish reversal pattern, but a rising wedge naman is only confirmed if it breaks below the downtrend line. And above pa naman, so okay lang. If I were to plot resistances for CHP, major ones would be obviously 2 pesos. So yun. Yung mga titignan ko para kay CHP. Vita. Hindi ko malimutan. Vita. Aray, sa likod ko. So Vita, yan, looks like, wow, about to approach piso. So, yung major cycle level. So, if you take a look at Vita, very big consolidation. Diba? Kung body-to-body plotting, ayan na. Congrats kung merong position traders, nakapag-position dito. Almost 30% gain. 25. Yan na, looks like it's about to break out. Mahalaga lang dito kung malakas, mabasag na yung piso. Nothing more, nothing less. Trading should be simple but not easy. Grabe talaga yung saying na yun. Sobrang nag-resonate yun sa akin eh. Parang simple nga siya kasi it takes a genius to make something complex simple, di ba? But at the same time, trading is not easy kasi ang daming factors involved. Kaya masaya maging trader eh. Yung seryoso talaga. You get to not only learn a lot about the market, but you learn about yourself and your capability to handle yung mga situations na your heart's pumping, tapos chill ka lang dapat, or you have to make a decision. Kasi yung decision making important yun sa trading which can also spill over to your career, to your love life or whatever. So wala, sorry, out of topic. Anyway, Vita, yun, mabasag na yung piso. Magbabasag yung piso, levels dyan susunod 110, 120. So mga psych levels lang. Okay. P-Core or DD? Sige. P-Core. Tsaka DD na rin. Kasi malakas. Wow! LPH. Sakto lang. Pero P-Core pa rin. So P-Core, grabe. Tagal lang konso. So ito yung sinasabi na the longer the base, the higher in space. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the potential breakout. So congrats sa mga kumita na tira neto. Diba? So haven for position traders. Diba tong area na to, good area to position. Pero kalaban mo time. But yeah, so congrats sa mga, well, we have 3 or 2 major buy points in my opinion. We have one here, this breakout, and the last one was here. Sorry, kapos pa yung circle. So yan, 25% if nakuha sa una, and mga 16 siguro, 12% pag nakuha sa pangalawa. So congrats sa mga nakakuha nito. If I were to plot before pa resistance, this would definitely be it. A good area to take some profits or to see if mag-consolidate. Diba? And kung trend follow mo naman, very malayo pa yung moving averages natin. After that psych levels din pala, 4 pesos, diba? After 4, I would say some below 450, mga 440. Another level take a look at. But yeah, congrats sa mga natira nito. Malakas, good volume. Mahalaga dito, mag-conso lang, mag-chill lang. Something similar na ginagawa lagi nickel pag tumatama sa mga conso. Ay, pag tumatama sa mga resistances, di ba? You know, conso lang ng conso. P-Core. Pangalan chart na to, but regardless. DD, well, laggard. So, I think a lot of people, actually, I don't know. I don't know kung may catalyst si DD, but there may be some people thinking na dahil lumakat si MM, si DD susunod na yan. Which can potentially also happen. But, if you would have focused na lang kay MM nung nasa tres pa siya, edi sana yun na lang tinira mo. Ngayon, parang sentiment play na lang hinahabol natin dito. And the problem with sentiment plays is, if di ka nakapagbenta ka agad, buhos ka. Dito, MM time to eh. Right? Siyempre, pumitik din si Didi kasi same, di ba? Same group, same owner, something ako ba? Basta related sila, di ba? Si Boss Injap. So, pwede naman, di ba? Parang baka pumitik, pero baka mag-fade din ka agad. Yung mahalaga, weird naman ang drawing ko. Yung mahalaga, mabenta mo. Right? But, kung setup-wise lang, wala akong masyadong nakikita. But the volume's interesting. Di ba? Maybe earnings were still down, but volume's interesting. Sign of something potentially can happen, di natin alam. Pero if you're interested in it because of the volume and you're trying to see a setup, maybe in the early chart, pwede naman, right? Pero kung pero medyo volatile. Pero kung purely sentiment driven lang, wala lang. Parang alakas na ni MM, si Didi, wala pa masyadong nagagawa. Side na muna ako. IDC and IRC, no problem. Oops. IDC. Sir. Last neto, you know. Shit. So, breakout, retest, blah, 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 tapos, yeah. Sige, so kung key levels kasi breakout na eh. Kahit nga dito, yung mga ganyan. Pucha, dati, di ako masyado confident tumira ng ganyan eh. Yung mga walang magandang konso. Pero sa sobrang ganda ng market, yun, tumuloy lang oh. Congrats isa sa mga malalakas to si IDC. Isa pang good story. Dati meron ako niyan dito. Dito mga sir, mga ma'am sir dito. 185. Benta ko. Pang ganyan lang, 20%. Pero who would have known na? Who would have known na aabot siya ganyan? Or kaya ko ba hawakan yan? Hindi, papakat na ako dyan. Baya. Anyway, looking at IDC now, medyo, if I were to take profits before, I would have trimmed a little bit here. Sa may 350, 360. Trim lang naman, diba? Onting bawas lang. Kasi kung stretch out pa natin, medyo key area yan eh. Diba? Key area. But now, able to break out, which is good. So, strong momentum. The next area I would look at to take profits would be 4. Psych level, structural level. So, very forgiving yung market ngayon, no? Kahit tinira mo yung breakout na to na very extended, up ka pa rin. But yeah, the next level I would be looking at would be 4. A big, di ba, resistance. So, maganda dyan, pag umabot nga na 4, mag-conso ng ganyan para magpahinga muna. Yeah, that's for IDC. Lakas. Sabi niya IDC and someone else. I think IRC ata. IRC ito, yan, very chill, no? So, medyo mabagal lang siya compared to everyone. Well, yeah, clear uptrend since September. So, we have a breakout today, a much minor breakout, good volume. Ay, breakout din dyan sa area na yan. So, solid. So, areas I would look at for potential resistances would obviously be 2 pesos, somewhere in this area. Right, so, yan yung next major resistance para kay IRC. 2 pesos. So, mga 20% halos yung upside. Kapag malakas pa rin yung market natin. Outs, negative 100%. Mahalaga dito, di mag-below EMA 20. Dito. Hold na yan dapat dyan. Late naman ang circle. Hold na yan dapat dito. Kung malakas talaga. STI. Wala. STI yun, nag-breakout. STI, good breakout here. Good volume. A day ago or last Friday. So, medyo penny stock. Medyo illiquid. So, kung ako yan, parang quick sell on rally ako dito eh. Pero, syempre, pwedeng mali naman ako. Parang yan, 20% upside. Pero ngayon, yan, nauntog na dun sa resistance na yan. So, let's see kung malakas talaga. Ano gagawin niya sa 0.4350 dyan sa area na yan. Sabi, Nolly, tugs. Ano nangyari dito? Si tugs, yan din. So, nasa market lang. So, kaya nangyari to? Ay, dati pa pala. So, mahalaga dito ngayon kay tugs. Diba? Again, nasa resistance na. So, kung malakas talaga, dapat kaya mag-hold above yung 150 tapos mag-higher base na. Diba? Breakout, mag-170, mag-conso. Yun yung ideal. But looking at it now, kung mauntog, okay lang naman. Basta yung mahalaga, for the short term, hold above, diba? Trending above EMA 20. So, ito yung short-term trend natin. Kailangan mag-hold above dito. But and that's also a potential, diba, buy on support opportunity for those na pull back yung approach. Kung bigger picture, EMA 50 dapat yung medium-term trend. But yeah, looking at it now, mukha nga siya inverse head and shoulders eh. Diba? Kung bigger picture. So, kailangan mabasag tong 150 and sustain above it. Hindi yung break, tapos break, tapos fade ka agad, diba? Dapat di ganun. Okay, wait lang. Dami nag-chat sa akin. Wait lang. Next. MRC. Ano nangyari dito? Wow! Damn, sir. Lakas. Grabe. Major breakout here. Major momentum play. Wow. Pucha, last nito. Never look back, no? Nung nag-breakout dito. EMA 20, never nag-close below. Lakas. Yung tatalo lang talaga sa'yo pag nag-trend follow ka is kapag hindi mo masundan yung stops mo eh. Diba? Up ka dito, 55%, pero nag-decline, 25% na lang. So, 50% ng gains mo kinain. Yun talaga yung pros, syempre, ng trend following. Kaya mo sakyan yung trend sa ganito. But, yung con, or yung difficulty, is kaya mo ba mag-give up ng certain percentage of profit in search for a bigger one? Right? Like for example here, pagka-breakout, up ka agad, 55%. Pero nung nag-pull back, 27% na lang. So 50% ng profits mo, binalik mo. Diba? But you were in search for a bigger profit. And ngayon, kung sinundan mo lang, up ka, diba? 100%. Pero may times din na, let's say yan, up ka na 55%. Tapos wala, bumagsak. So tumama stop mo sa EMA 20, so 20% lang na-lock-in mo. So 30% binigay mo, mga more close to 3/4 or baka 3/4 nga 'yun. But yun yung mangyayari talaga sa strategy. There will be times na ma-maximize mo yung trend, there will be times na sana nasa resistance di ko binenta kasi trail stop ako, tapos tumama sa trail stop ko na 50% ng profits binigay ko, from 50%, 25% na lang. But that's the reality of the strategy, no? Some people kasi they get frustrated na trend follow, pero kung nabenta ako sa tuktok, up sana ako 70%. Pero ngayon up na lang ako 40%. So ang laki na nawala. But that's the reality. Like dito sa MRC, if the frustrate ka, binenta mo kaagad, you would have missed out on 100% move. But on the way to the 100% move, di ba? May mga pullbacks yan na matindi, lalo ng penny stock to. So kailangan kaya mong stomach in and trust, di ba, na yung plano mo. So yan, solid. But looking at it now, medyo andito na, no? Key resistance ulit, 0.55. So kung malakas, dapat mabasag yan. So mukhang dito, intraday yung galaw eh. Since puro short conso, you might see a better pattern or a better continuation pattern intraday rather than waiting for it sa daily. Kaya mukhang EMA 50 is a strong support sa early chart. Alright. Teka. Wait, sorry. Okay, game. Seb. CEB. Sorry. May makulit na nag-chat sa akin. CEB, Seb. Lakas, sir. So, congrats sa mga position traders. Marami akong kakilala nag-position trade, 'di ba? Dito sa area na 'to. Sa may 35, may position. So, 41% move. So, kung bigger picture, approaching resistance. So, mga na position dito might want to look to sell a portion at a 50% gain there. If we look at a bigger picture, if we're looking here, sa weekly chart, yan no? Strong volume. Wow. This is the strongest volume kay Cebu Pac ever? Hindi naman. Since its IPO days. Wow, that's interesting. So, pays to look at the big picture. Yung volume last week was the highest volume since its IPO days. No IPO first 2-3 years. Just goes to show na malakas yung demand. So, kung sa weekly chart tayo nakatingin, it's about to break out MA50 and its consolidation resistance. So, kung malakas siya, mabasag yan. Then, from 50, maybe we can take a look at 70 as the next major area of resistance. So, yun na actually. Medyo basic lang naman tignan eh. Diba? Kung mabasag yung 50, kung malakas, yung 55, 54, kung malakas talaga, edi bigger picture 70. Diba? Pero baka medium term pa yan. Pero tignan natin, since though, you know, the world is kind of getting back to normal, people are starting to go out more, airlines are starting to give promos on their seats. This can definitely benefit from rapid reopening that's currently happening. Not rapid, but reopening that's bound to happen eventually. Green. Green, anak ng lakas nito, sir. So si Green, ilang beses ko ito chart, parang ayaw mauntog, right? So tuwing sinasabi ko, mukhang mauntog, hindi pa. Baya, 290 to 3, yan na yung next major, no? And basta above, yung EMA 20, medyo short term na eh. Basta above EMA 50, intact pa yung trend na yan. So, good, solid uptrend, medyo obvious na sa lahat. But, diba, lakas eh. So, just follow price, diba? Basta above EMA 50. 3 pesos, 293, next significant resistance. Sige, tirahin natin mga interesting na. MM. Okay, game. MM. Huge breakout here. Ito, isa pang minimension kanina about trading psychology. Si MM bago tumuloy, 1, 2 fake outs bago tumuloy. The third, dito sa area to, yan na yung legit. And kung mahina yung parang belief mo in probabilities, if in trading psychology mo mahina, if na-attach ka sa previous result na mga trade sa same stock, yung tipong, ano ba yan, 2 beses ako napakat, 3 beses na, ayoko na i-trade yan, baka mapakatla ulit. Kasi lahat tayo, kahit ayaw mo aminin, nakakaranas nun. Yung parang, ano ba yan, napakat na ako, biglang be-breakout ulit. Parang ang hirap na tirahin nun. Kasi emotionally, napakat kas bumalik. You're thinking about 2 things. Number 1, sana di na ako nag-cut, which is wrong. Number 2, ang hirap na bilhin ulit kasi baka mapakat ka ulit. 2 beses ka pa, parang timo, bobo. 2 beses ka pa na potentially, nasa isip mo na, subconscious mo, I don't want to cut twice. Diba? So, I just pass on this stock. But the setup is there. Diba? And if you traded this, and you cut twice, and you did trade this, you missed out na. And in so many instances, even ako and a lot of good traders I know, naranasan din yan, yung napakat, tas nung bumawi, di na nag-buyback. Kaya important yung kaya mo bumuyback, kaya mo umexecute. Yung sabi ni Mark Douglas na yung, nga ba tawag dun? Yung attachment system. Uh, basta, discuss ko na sa ELCS ko. Yung parang ina-attach mo yung nangyayari ngayon, yung nangyayari sa past, even though it's not related to it talaga. Parang ganun. Basta sinasabi niya, every moment in the market is unique. So yun ang masasabi ko. Right? So may isa pang major breakout dito. So ito, mas momentum na yung approach eh. Diba? No conso, pero tuloy-tuloy lang. So ganoon talaga pag maganda yung market. Kahit ganyan, tutuloy usually. May mga ganyan lang na pullback, pero yun, solid. So congrats sa mga kumita dito. Well, there's really nothing much to say. Why? Kasi all-time high eh. Wala na akong masasabi. If malalim kuha mo dito, you can decide to trend follow, 'di ba? You can decide to sell into strength, meaning sell habang madali pa, pero malay mo you might sell too early, or 'di ba? Or you can sell kapag bumalik below 450 or EMA 20, lalo na kung malalim ka naman, 'di ba? But yung maganda ngayon, either tutuloy yan sa 6 or hindi, 'di ba? Maganda kung mag-conso, 'di ba? Yung mahalaga ngayon dito kay kung bigger picture lang hindi na yan bumalik below 450, in my opinion. Kung babalik man, pang conso lang. Pero tutuloy din. Teka. Alright, next. Alright, let's go Ditto. Let's go Ditto next, Ditto. Pero bago ako pumunta sa Ditto, may lang ako last two na gusto i-plug. Well, so as you guys know, we will be having our upcoming event, diba? The Investa Fest 2021. Diba? And kung may man nagtatanong, ano ba yan? Magkano ba yan? It is absolutely free. Ulitin ko lang, it's free. And yung goal namin dito is just to reach the lives of more Filipinos. Diba? 2020 was a shit year. Sorry, was a bad year. Was a potso year. Just for the world in general. And I'm sure a lot of our business goals, personal financial goals, trading, well, the markets have been good. But yeah, pwedeng trading goals at tamaan din dahil tinamaan nung March sa stagcut tas di na nag-trade ulit. So, maraming, di ba, we're all looking for that light at the end of the tunnel, which hopefully will come at 2021 or 2022. But we'll be having the biggest virtual finance festival in the country, Investa Fest 2021, where we're not only going to invite speakers to talk about the stock market, but finance, business, personal development in general. We've invited some of the best people in their own respective industries just to show you guys, diba, a few of the lineup, few speakers that we already have. Will be our goals to have mga 20 speakers. And again, this is free. Tatanggalin ko lang yung poster, papakita ko mukha ko. It's free. So all you have to go, ano nga ba, landing page? Di ko alam, parang investafest.com ba? Anyway, nakikita nyo mga post namin. So just search Investafest sa Instagram or sa Facebook page namin. We've invited people like RJ Ledesma, Aya Laraya, Francis Kong. So yes, Francis Kong is also one of the speakers. He's so solid. And we just announced just a while ago na si Chris Mangun. Yeah, Chris Mangun, the head of research in AAA equities, is also one of the speakers for the Investa Fest. And obviously, we'll be releasing more speakers in the coming days, but just know that this is going to be one of the highest value, diba, events in 2021 kasi it's free. And we're really going to do our best to invite the best speakers to provide value, not only for the trading community, but just for Filipinos in general. So hopefully you guys can invite your friends, your neighbors, anyone who wants to achieve business, entrepreneurship, finance, personal development, trading goals, and hopefully we can see you guys there sa Investa 2021. Ayan, may naglagay ng link. Pero medyo makabay link, no? Baya. Investa Fest. Search nyo na lang Investa Fest sa Google or sa Investa. Okay. Teka, tanggalin ko ito. Guys, go to Ditto. Ito, ayan na, medyo getting very volatile. Right? Madaming suspensions, one halt, one trading suspension. At the moment, very catalyst driven. So mahalaga dito, just to keep it simple, it has to break 7 and 8. Kung malakas talaga, 7 and 8. So we have a conso here, we have a shakeout, still holding naman. Tingin ko, kapag nag-below, pag nag-below EMA 50, dedo na, kung bigger picture. Pero ngayon, holding above pa naman. It's very volatile, but let's see. Kung mabasag yung 7, potential momentum to 8. Very small, minor upside. Pero kung 8 talaga yung kailangan mabasag, yun yung sobrang lakas na resistance. So let's see. Mahalaga ngayon, mag-hold. Diba? Grabe yung breakdown na to eh. Pero nag-sustain naman. So tignan natin. Di ko lang mga catalyst dito, pero yeah. Of course, sama ko na rin si Now. Si Now naman, ito medyo mahina eh. Right? Wala akong masyadong nakikitang setup. See, yan, double top, very speculative as well, very volatile, hard to trade. Potential bounce areas, sa potential bounce areas ngayon, di ba? Kung intraday mo, ang 10% bounce pwede, but yeah. So yan, dinaanan ko lang real quick. Oh, by the way, guys, Investa Fest, plug ko lang ulit. Alright, fruit. Guys, ano na ako? It's 9:38. I have to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow because I have to train for something. And yun, medyo maaga tayo matulog ngayon. So last 3 stocks na tayo. So fruit, nadaan ako naman. Hopefully, majority naman interesting. Fruit, finally, we have a breakout and very widespread volatile but up 20% from the breakout point. So ngayon, medyo dito na, no? Sa resistance natin na 150. As I've been mentioning for the past weeks, 150, a good area to take some off, 20% upside if you're able to buy from the breakout point of 130. Kung malakas talaga, then let's see how it reacts sa may, kung bigger picture, dito sa may 175. May area dapat tingnan natin. Pero lakas, ganda ng volume. And di naman siya tuloy-tuloy lang. May mga consolidations, pullbacks. So, let's see. Malaga, di na mag-close below EMA 20. So PHR, marami yan nagtanong. Ito yung, may trip nito, di ko naman bakit. So, very volatile, first and foremost. So, not easy to trade for chill traders. But, if momentum potentially is pumiyak ako, nalamunan ko. It's at resistance, di ba? So, 330s and 350 area. See, volume coming in, there might be something I'm not really aware of, any catalysts in PHR. If you put it in a bigger picture perspective, parang base potential breakout. But note, very volatile and yung mga stocks na ganito na very catalyst and speculative driven, I like to look at the DNA. So dito, breakout, buhos, breakout, buhos, breakout, gap down nga eh, hindi nga buhos. But yeah. So syempre, do I think that's gonna happen again? No. But as someone who doesn't know a lot about PHR and what they're trying to do, and talaga price action based lang, and looking at the DNA, mas conservative ako dito, kahit trader ako. Parang hindi ako mag-full size kaagad, test buy muna if ever gusto kong trip ko. But yeah, but it's at resistance, has to break out from 330 to 350 kung malakas talaga. And sana maganda yung close, yun yung mahalaga. Alright, last stock, Ace N, yung paborito lahat. Guys, if you remember, Ace N was the last stock I held in my portfolio before transferring to the US stock market. Meron akong Ace N dito. Mga boss, dito. 220. Hinawakan ko. Pero nagbenta ako dito. Anak ng putya naman, no. Dapat nagpikit na nga ako. Sobrang hassle. So, okay naman. Parang almost double your money din ako. Pero, 2 bagger sana. Grabe. Pero di dapat ako masaktan. US boy na tayo. Baya, sabi ko, 4 pesos. sos, baka matibay to, may SRO pang parating. Pero yung SRO, wala naman nangyari. Ito lang. Grabe. Diyan ako nagbenta sa red candle na to. Sabi ko, baka tuktok na to, okay na to. Sa 385 ata ako nagbenta. Ay, nako. Pag pumikit na lang sana ako, di ko tinignan. 2 bagger na sana. Pero okay lang. Well, bonus na lang tong ace end. Di ko lang binenta dati. So, yun lang. But looking at it now, kung wala pa ako nito, ano gagawin ko? Number 1, di ako mafo-FOMO. Number 2, mag-aantay ako ng proper base. Number 3, di ko tatanggalin sa watchlist ko kasi malakas all-time high. Malaga dito ngayon, ano na siya eh. Kung tignan nyo yung degree of ascent niya, halos 90 degrees na. Very parabolic. And usually, di ba, these things have to end eventually. So, if I were to still have this, or maybe I bought it at this breakout, I would be selling portions na. Kasi kapag ito bumagsak, di ba, yung ascent niya, pag ganyan, pag bumagsak yan, similar to dito, yung may ascent niyo, similar to now, diba? Super 90 degree angle ascent. Eventually, pag nagbentahan na yung mga tao, grabe din yung decline. So, that's what you call a potential climax stop. Diba? Even if we go out to old charts, na mga gumanto yung chart, from a chill trend to a parabolic phase, this is what we call a climax stop. Potentially. We can define a climax stop as it's going through a chill trend, tumira na malakas in one day, biggest percentage rise in one day, tapos pinakamalaki ding volume. Diba? So, di siya pinakamalaki, but it's kind of big na rin, considering sa late part ng trend na. Diba? Well, grabe, sobrang bearish ko naman. Pero malakas naman talaga si Ease In. Kung trend follower ka, okay lang yan. Well, kung half and half ka, pwedeng sell into strength. Diba? Even if you sold yesterday, good sell na yun eh. You can, maraming options, maraming pwedeng gawin. You can sell into strength, half, you can sell half pag nag-below EMA 20. So it really depends at this point in your approach. If wala pa ako nito, diba? Well, marami siyang intraday patterns. So, pwede ka magabang intraday kung gusto mo talaga kumuha pa. But given na it's super extended from its previous base, which is this one, hindi talaga ako kung wala pa ako nito, ano na lang, learn from it, diba? Learn na very important, number 1, yung preparation. If, nag-screen, nag-chart ka na maayos, dapat mahuli mo to. Right? And just wait for the next opportunity because as cliche as it sounds, there will always be opportunities in the market. Diba? Even this 2020, always opportunities in the market. So yun lang. Siyempre, nababad trip din ako. I missed out on a trade, diba? Na yung last stock ko sa PH, but okay lang. So kung trend follower, depende na kung ano trail stop mo. But yeah, just note na the degree of ascent calls for a potential climax stop. And pag nagkamabilis ang buhusan, diba, pwedeng rapid yan. Potentially lang naman, diba? Based on what's been happening historically. Diba? Pero kung malakas talaga, edi mag-console lang. Diba? Bigger console lang. Pwede naman mag-decline na malaki. Right? Kahit 14%, pero mag-console lang. Hindi yung tuloy-tuloy pababa. Right? So, I guess that will end, right, the charting session for today. Wala, dami nagko-comment na nafo-FOMO sa ACN. Guys, promise, sa sobrang ilang beses ko na naiwan sa stock, medyo manhid na ako. Medyo bad trip lang kasi meron ako niyan sa DOS, tapos di ko lang hinawakan para sa anak ko na matagal pa mangyayari. Wala pa akong anak, but yeah, it's okay. Bonus na lang yun. Kasi dapat naman, bibenta ko dapat yun nung nilipat na ako sa US. Okay, wait. Stop ko na i-share. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's charting sesh. Sorry, I have to cut it a bit short. Medyo I have to wake up early tomorrow. Pause na rin. Marami naman ako nasingit na mga learnings in between. May last na lang pala akong ipa-plug. Meron kaming ongoing promo for Investa Prime Elite 888. So first 111 monthly Elite subscribers may discount. I believe 888 na lang yung babayaran ata, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, check nyo na lang yung current, basta yan, may promo para sa Investa Prime Elite for the first 111 monthly Elite subscribers. And then again, since free lang to, Investa Fest, I'm inviting you guys to go. It's free as well. And then yung learning session ko, last 53 slots, diba? So sa mga elite peeps dyan, looking forward to see you guys. And then for those part of the Prime community, diba yung naka-invest sa Prime plus annual invest sa Prime Elite, we will be raffling 3,000 pesos to 5 winners since mahal namin kayo. This will be done at the end of the month. So yeah, that's it for the announcements. And good night, guys. Shit, sad na muna ako. Sorry again, was able to do this weekend. So good night. Have a fruitful week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you guys the next charting session probably this weekend. So yun, kita kits. Bye bye.